the 6th. It's Saturday. Why is this so like... Okay. It's Saturday. Ooh, it's Saturday and tomorrow's Sunday, which is the last like day before I go back to school. So we're gonna go to the beach today. And it's gonna be so fun. So I'm gonna take you guys with. So I'm just gonna get dressed and then I'll vlog like later on. Okay, we're at the beach. The sun is setting. It's very hot. Cause like, she's deciding what to eat. We're at this little corner restaurant. It's so cute. Yeah. We just finished eating. Okay. Where are we walking? To the car. Walking to the car. Okay. See you guys in the car. So I'm home now, and I was supposed to make a vision board last night, but I didn't. I just ended up like editing. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll probably, I don't know if I'll show you guys like the end result, because like, I don't know, I kind of want to, like, they're like personal goals and stuff like that, but I will like put like a recording of like some examples of stuff. Like one of them is literally gonna be like my dream car, because I will start driving this year. So yeah, that's like one of them, but the rest is like kind of personal and like kind of private. Like I want to keep private, so I'll just like show you guys like some stuff that I'll put, but I'm gonna go make that right now on my mom's bed, because her bed is more comfortable than mine. So I'll see you guys in like a little bit. So I just finished my vision board, and I'm like so happy with the way it came out. So I'm gonna set it as my lock screen and then start like